Nothing is gearing up to launch its highly anticipated phone, 3A, on March 4th, and the teaser campaign is already creating a buzz. The latest teaser image reveals a dedicated camera button on the side, a feature that's sure to excite photography enthusiasts. This button will act as a quick toggle to launch the camera app and double as a shutter for snapping photos and videos. It's a small but thoughtful addition that could make a big difference for anyone who loves capturing moments on the go. Now, let's talk about the camera setup, because that's where the phone, 3A, really shines. Nothing is rumored to be focusing heavily on camera performance, equipping the phone, 3A, with a triple camera setup. The headliner? A 50MP 2x telephoto lens, a first for the Nothing brand. This telephoto sensor is expected to be joined by a 50MP main camera and an 8MP ultra-wide module. Whether you're zooming in on distant subjects or capturing wide landscapes, the phone, 3A, seems ready to deliver. But the phone, 3A, isn't just about the cameras. Rumored specs include a 6.8-inch FHD plus a AMOLED screen with a buttery-smooth 120Hz refresh rate, perfect for gaming and streaming. Under the hood, it's expected to pack Qualcomm's Snapdragon 7's Gen 3 chipset, ensuring snappy performance for multitasking and gaming. And with a massive 5,000 mAh battery and 45W wired charging, you won't have to worry about running out of juice during your busiest days. The design is another area where Nothing is likely to stand out. Known for its transparent aesthetic and unique glyph interface, the phone, 3A, is expected to continue this trend, offering a blend of style and functionality. That dedicated camera button? It's just the cherry on top of what looks to be a well-rounded device. So, is the Nothing phone, 3A, worth the hype? If the rumors hold true, it could be a game-changer in the mid-range smartphone market, especially for those who prioritize camera performance and battery life. We'll find out for sure on March 4th, so stay tuned for our full review once it's out. Thanks for watching TechVerse. If you're as excited about the Nothing phone, 3A, as we are, hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the notification bell so you don't miss our upcoming coverage. Let us know in the comments, what feature are you most excited about? See you in the next video.